Ah! Fire! Fire alarm! Fire! Hey guys! Hey, what's going on? Little Adventures, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a fire alarm in Minecraft Pocket Edition. In Minecraft Pocket Edition. So how this works is as you see it, we are in a classroom, and today we are having a fire drill, and there can't be a fire drill without a fire alarm going off. So all you need to do is flip this lever, and then this redstone torch will go on, and go off, and that redstone torch will start flickering on and off, and then also no block will start going off. And as you see, I put a redstone torch connecting to the no block, and also redstone torch as the light too. And as you see, both. Why I had to do this so I could time it perfectly on the alarm system, so it would not go off when that light was off. So it would not go off when the light was off. And the only way we can turn this fire alarm off is with the manual, which is the only way we can turn it off, which is security store. And right now we're in the computer room, in the camera room, and here is the manual alarm reset button. So then when I press the alarm should turn oh, and also guys, if you turn this off, the alarm will still go off. And if you want to say this needs to be off. So then if that alarm's getting too annoying, just press the button and the alarm will turn off. Apparently, you have to get the right timing to make sure that redstone torch is off. So guys, I'm going to show you how to make it. Well, I should put it on. So these are the items you will need. You will need a red wool. You'll need a block of red lime wool, lever, button, redstone comparator, redstone torch, 64 blocks of your choice, red stained clay, and green stained redstone dust, and a redstone repeater. So then let's get started. So then what you want to do is make a 3x7 row. Then put this part on. Place a lime wool. Then count 2 blocks away. Place a red wool. Place another block of red wool, and then place redstone torch. Now place a lever here, and now for this part. So then grab out a piston. I forgot a few things. So then grab out so put 2 blocks of green stained clay here. Do this. Then place a hopper. Place another hopper. And then get that rid of your inventory. Then just make a line. Oh, this is supposed to be lime stained clay. No wonder I put some green stained clay. Then just place a block of redstone here, and another one, and a piston there. Make a line of that to this, and then get out your red stained clay, and then just make it until it hits that part. Place a comparator right here, and also a redstone repeater. Why? Because if that goes on that, it's then good. Because if there's no redstone repeater right here, it's only gonna power one block for redstone signal to make it activate. Then place a redstone torch here. Then get rid of your redstone torch. Get your node block, and then stick it until you hit the last node. And then now for the wire. Place a block of red stained clay. Also, if you know why I'm doing this, just to color code the wires. Why I'm doing this is because why I'm doing this because it's easier when you color code the wires, which makes it much more easier. Then place some redstone dust. Make sure no redstone dust is connecting to that part, so it doesn't make that. Then just place a random item. I'm going to choose this, and then test it. As you see, this will go off, and also this redstone torch will start flickering on and off. And so will this, also turning on that snow block, making that node block go off. When you got your fire alarm activator done, if your the level works, then just move on to your manual reset button. Press it, and then it should turn off. But one thing you should avoid. If you leave the lever on and just press the button, it won't work. You had to turn the lever off, and also if you try turning it on and off, it'll not work. And then just press the reset button. As you know, you can't press it again, or otherwise it's just gonna keep going. So then, guys, this is it. That's your thing. So then, guys, don't forget to drop a link in my description. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Rudy Adventures, and don't forget to join the Little Club for more Minecraft videos. And if we can just hit 50 subscribers, I may just maybe do an online. I may do a Roblox video. So then, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Little Club today by Little Kelly. And I hope to see you next time. And don't forget, if you leave if you leave a comment in the description, that is very nice to me. I may put your name in a video, but and if you join if you join me on Google Plus, you will I may you may I will ask you your Minecraft server stuff, so then we can do an online video together. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.